What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can earn $2 every minute really fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind. Over there, you can ask me any question, just DM me. And I also post a lot of motivational stuff and all different types of things on how to make money online. So please follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. Okay, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss any of this important information. Because if you don't watch it all the way to the very end, you're not going to make any money at all. So please watch it all the way to the very end. And also look out for the code word that's going to flash on the screen somewhere in this video. So you got to pay attention all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Crowdtap. Now, I have not talked about this website before, so this is a new website. Matter of fact, they have an app, so I'm going to be showing you their app also. So it says here, make your opinions work for you. So yes, it's a site where you have to give your opinions, but it's a real good site, guys. It's a real good site, and you're going to learn right now how good it is. So join more than 1 million people who earn cool rewards for giving their honest feedback. So you click right there to join. And it says here, downtime has an upside. When you use Crowdtap, your feedback is amplified through the megaphone of our 1 million plus members. That collective voice results in a real change across the brands you love. So right here, you can click right here. You'll be able to sign up and make your voice heard on here. So you're going to be making a change when you make your voice heard on here. It's not just you answer some random questions and you get nothing out of it. Of course, you're going to get some money out of it. But let's scroll down and read some more. Because everyone needs a side hustle, answering questions on Crowdtap is the easiest way to earn rewards at your favorite stores. When you got a few seconds to spare, why not put them to work? So as you can see, you're going to be getting Amazon gift cards, Target, Whole Foods, Walmart. Now, let's scroll down here. Okay, turn your voice into change. Wish your favorite sparkling water came in more favors. Joining the Crowdtap community gives you the chance to tell the brands you love exactly what you think, so they'll make decisions based on your voice. So that's why this is real good, guys. You're going to impact brands. So you'll be able to give your opinion on brands, and they're going to actually listen to you. And if it's something good, they're going to change it just because you said it. So you're making an impact on a lot of brands out there. And this person right here, Christine H., she says, I love using Crowdtap. It's been incredible to log in every day, answer questions, and get free $5 gift cards to Amazon.com. So this person is getting $5 gift cards every time she goes on there and log on and answer questions. And so it says here, give your feedback and get rewarded. Crowdtap offers a lot of questions for you to answer every day. Simply share your opinion and earn rewards, gift cards, free product samples. Wow, it's that easy. So guys, not only are you going to get money, you can also get some samples of the products. Isn't that something? So let's just go over here to the app now, and we're going to check out the reviews and rating. Okay, now guys, I'm on Google Play, and I went ahead and searched the app. So Crowdtap opinions and rewards. So that's what you look for when you look for the app. So let me scroll down here. We already read everything about it. So let's just look at the review right quick. So out of 5 stars is 4.2. Like I always say, anything that's over 4 stars is a very good app. It's not that many apps in the Google Play Store or Apple Store that has over 4.0 stars. You know what I'm saying? So let's scroll down here and look at a review. Okay, this person right here, Kyle, says, honestly, if you're into the whole survey thing, this app rocks. Absolutely. I'm sorry. Obviously, don't expect to make much money, and unfortunately, your points can only be redeemed for gift cards. The reason I like this app, though, is because of how simple it is. Just open once or twice a day. There are rows of colored boxes when I'm not going to read the whole thing. But so he's saying that you're going to get gift cards, but you can redeem those gift cards to PayPal money. So I recommend you guys to get Amazon gift cards when you redeem your points. And you can trade those Amazon gift cards in for PayPal money. There are a lot of sites you can go online to that'll go ahead and trade your allow you to trade your gift card in and turn it into PayPal money. So all you got to do is just go online and look up gift card trades or trade gift cards, and a lot of them going to pop up. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to talk about for this website and app. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go to Crowdtap Opinion Rewards for the app and go to crowdtap.com for the website to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this site. And please don't forget to type the code word that pops up in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, that's it. One more thing, a couple of more things before I go. please go check out my podcast. I have a new podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. To go on that podcast, I talk about how to increase your personal finance, how to become a better person, as far as personal development, and also talk about strategies, tips, and habits on how to increase your business and become successful in the business industry. And I also going to be doing some interviews very, very soon. And one other thing, I do have a channel which is called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. So over there, I'm going to be showing the podcast. I'm gonna go ahead and post the podcast on there as a video. And also I'll be posting other videos about personal finance, investing, personal development, and also making money online. So go check out that channel and subscribe. Get my subscribers up on that. Try to get me to 1,000 subscribers. And the link to that channel is going to pop up in this video. Go over there and let's get that channel rolling, guys. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to start doing shout outs again. So please drop a creative comment down below along with that code word. And you never know, I might shout you out in one of my videos. All right, guys, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.